Hello, it's Ollie here at the Crafty Whisk, and I'm so grateful that you could join me today. And we're up to day 22 of the Uniquely Creative Advent Box. Oh, I think they're moving. There's things moving. I think they might be brads. Oh, I got another one right, guys. Pastel brads. They're the small size. Yep, pastel brads. They are, there's 4.5 millimeters by 8 millimeters. Oh yeah, so 4.5 and then 8.5 is the length. There's 50, there's 5 colours and 10 of each colour. So these would be the same colours as the doilies were. Very, very handy for closures, for tags. You can make them into access sort of things instead of using gemstones and things like that. You can use brads as a focal point as well. Very, very nice. All right, join me tomorrow for day 23. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it when I bring out a new video.